Guys, thank you so much for watching. Welcome back to my channel if you're a subscriber, and welcome here if you're new. My name's Vanessa. Today's video is going to be me unboxing and going through exactly all the products in a couple of the Drunk Elephant holiday kits. These holiday kits are limited edition, and I know with the holidays going on, you're shopping for yourself and also loved ones. So I figured I'd show these kits. I bought them myself, and I think that they're really good value for what you get. Also, if you're planning to get these products anyways, you might as well get the kit and get a bunch of free, like smaller sample size products included in it. So I'll just go through all the products because I know online it shows you on Sephora, but sometimes it's super hard to see like exactly what you're getting because it's such a small picture. So if you found this video helpful and you want more skincare and haul videos, please like this video so I know, and don't forget to subscribe so I'll see you in my next video. I post weekly videos here on my channel. So let's just get into the video. So the first thing that I purchased is this Rescue Party Lala kit. So it contains the Lala Retro 50 ml, which is a full size, the Bestie No. 9 cleanser, which is 30 mils, the B Hydra 8 ml, the C Tango 5 ml, and the full size Lippy Balm in it for only a few dollars more than you'd pay just for this. So the first thing in it is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream Recover and Rescue 6 Rare African Oils and Plantain Extract. I've used this cream before and I absolutely love it. I have a review coming up on my channel for you as well. But it's amazing for sensitive and dry skin. It's so creamy, it's so whipped and beautiful, but it sinks right into your skin. Like your skin just drinks it up. So I love this. So I wanted to get this anyways. So I got the kit because I figured I wanted this product, and I also get all these. So it just opens up like this, and then you'll see what's underneath here. So the first thing is the Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser, which purify and dissolves makeup. It's with cantaloupe and glycerin. I'll have everything linked below if you're interested, and then you'll know more information on each product. I don't want to go through it all, it'll be way too long. And then this is the Lippy Balm full-size lip balm that they have. Also, you get the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream, which is 5 mils, so it's still pretty good sample size. So the next thing that you get is the B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum with pineapple, ceramide, and provitamin B5, and this is another 8 ml size. So that's all that you get for a few dollars more than you would just to purchase this product. So I'll have everything linked below. That Lala Retro Cream, so I'm so happy to get that kit. And the next kit I'm so excited about as well. It's the Inspector Drunk Night Kit, TLC Framboise, 30 ml, which is the full size, the Bestie No. 9 30 ml cleanser, the Lala Retro 15 ml, the B Hydra 8 ml, and the C Tango 5 ml. 6 playing cards and a magnifying glass, so I guess you can use this magnifying glass too. C Framboise Glycolic Night Serum you get is a full size. It's the full 30 mils, which looks like this. So I wanted this anyway, so I was super excited about this kit. And I'm excited to try this serum. I've been wanting it for a long time. Comment down below, what do you guys think of Drunk Elephant? Have you tried it? Do you love it? I'd love to know. This is again, the B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, pineapple, ceramide, and provitamin B5. So that's another 8 ml sample. And then you get another of the C Tango Eye Cream, which is another 5 ml sample with the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream, another 5 ml sample. The Lala Retro Whipped Cream, already started using this. This is 15 mils. Obsessed with this. I've already talked about it in my last, when I was unboxing the other one. I'm obsessed with the Lala Whipped. And then the Bestie No. 9 Cleanser, which is a 30 ml with cantaloupe. So that's everything that you get in there for a few dollars more than you just purchased this for. So again, I think it's a really good value. I'll have everything linked below. There's a couple other kits that I didn't purchase, so I'll put those underneath in case you're interested. But this video would be helpful for anyone that's looking for gifts or gifts for yourself and you wanted these products. You might want to get all the extra samples with it too. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you like it and subscribe for more videos, and I hope you have a great day and a great holiday with your friends and family. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.